But I like what Steph had to say, that, look, she doesn't own NVIDIA, okay? For whatever reason. Missed it, valuation too high. But she points out Broadcom and these other stocks. Like Bank of America today talks about their top 5 U.S. semi picks exposed to AI. Broadcom's second on the list. Right, Steph? So I get all the hype around NVIDIA, and I know you probably wish you were able to capture that kind of upside, but you're not there. You're in other names, and there are other ways to play it, and if that doesn't underscore it, I don't know what does.
Yeah, and it's a little bit cheaper than NVIDIA, but it's not nearly as cheap as it was when I was buying it. Scott, I was buying this like 2.5, 3 years ago, and it was trading at 14 times forward estimates, and it yielded 4%. That's actually one of the reasons I bought it, because it was yielding so much, and the free cash flow is so strong. And so fast forward to today, you're at 30 times forward. However, their part of AI is going to go from 10% of the company, of their semi-business last year, to 25% by 2025. That's huge growth, too, and I do think it's somewhat underappreciated. And again, they benefit as well from the hyperscale spending, and they have the best-in-class margins. Free cash flow of $12 billion this year. They will, in the fourth quarter, they will increase their buyback again. They have the VMware acquisition, which helps them in terms of software, recurring revenues, and higher margins, and they do have best-in-class margins. So I do think that there's a lot to look forward to with regards to Broadcom. Maybe it doesn't get the splash as NVIDIA does, but that's fine by me.
Citi says today they're wildly bullish on semis. They list Lam Research, by the way, on that list, which you just bought more of. Tell us.
Yeah, I mean, this is one that's lagged the SMH. It's up 22% this year, so it's not bad, but the SMH is up 34%. Applied Materials, its biggest competitor, is also up 34%. So it is lagged because we're all waiting for NAND WFE, wafer fab equipment spend, to recover. This is going to be a second half 2024 situation and a really big tailwind for 2025. And we're starting to see green shoots in NAND WFE with regards to supply demand. ASPs are increasing, utilization rates are rising. So I want to get ahead of this turn. In the meantime, the company has done a really good job in terms of gross margins. And of course, today they announced the big buyback and the stock split. That typically is positive for a stock. I'm surprised it's not up more, but I think that the underappreciation is the NAND recovery. It's coming. It's just a matter of timing, and I want to get ahead of that.
Yeah, $10 billion buyback, 10-to-1 split, too. I'm glad you mentioned that. By the way, that Citi note, they're also bullish on Applied Materials, AMAT, in the semi-equipment space, and that's yours.
Yeah, and everything that Steffi just said about wafer fab equipment spend applies to AMAT as well. I think for holders of AMAT or Lam Research, we're often wondering, well, geez, should we really be in ASML? I mean, that's the monolithic monopoly. But the pricing of the shares is much different for AMAT, and I'm more comfortable there. I'm also more comfortable because AMAT touches more of the actual chain by which semiconductors are built. But regardless, whether it's AMAT, Lam Research, or ASML, we're building semiconductor plants all over the place. It's not just here in the U.S. It's Japan. It's India. And all of these companies are going to benefit. Boy, I'd love to touch on Qualcomm. Will you let me?
I was just going to bring that up.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Because look, this is a stock.
No, because chips have gone crazy over the last month, too, and Qualcomm's on the list of maybe the third best performer, up 25%, so record high today. Yeah. You've got Teradyne up 44%, NXP up 26%, Texas Instruments 24%. We talked about NVIDIA, obviously, KLA 10 Corp. Taiwan Semi, Micron, Marvell, and yes, your Qualcomm has done quite well.
And thanks for that, because, Scott, the reason I'm a little eager on it is because I think everybody knows this stock was in the desert, right, in 22 and 23. And if you're an investor, a long-term investor, you're looking at it and you're saying, what's going on, man? There's real intellectual property at Qualcomm. This is very similar, again, to Stephanie with Broadcom, that this is a different way of playing AI. You saw the announcement yesterday that Qualcomm is providing AI chips for Microsoft's AI-enabled computers. I mean, that's huge. And this is in addition to edge computing on smartphones as far as AI capabilities go. So there's a reason that the stock is breaking out. And I just want to say one more thing. I remember recommending this stock in early 2022 at 190, and then it went into the desert. And folks, I felt bad about that. I did. But if you stuck with it, as I have, and if you're stuck with me, you're now reaping the rewards.
Stick with the farmer.
Thank you.
Is that your message?
That's the message.